How to log out from Notion AI account. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can log out from your Notion AI account. To log out from Notion AI, you will need to log out of your Notion account as Notion AI is an integrated feature within the Notion. In order to do so, first of all, you will need to open your Notion application on your mobile device and ensure that you are logged into your account. Now, once you are logged into your account, you will land on this home page. Here, you will be able to see your profile icon or the initial at the top left corner of your screen. Simply tap on it, and once you do so, you will be able to see this pop-up at the bottom. Now here, you will need to simply tap on the logout option at the very bottom, and then you will see you have been logged out from your account. Now if you want to log in back to your account in the future, you will need to select one of these methods in order to sign in or log into your account. So by following these steps, you will be able to log out from your Notion account, which includes Notion AI. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.